Doing only 3 minutes of plank every day may sound too easy to matter, but this single habit can create powerful changes in strength, posture, fat loss, and mental discipline. The plank is one of the most underestimated exercises because it looks simple but works the body deeply. When you hold a plank, your body fights gravity using pure muscle control and focus. The plank activates the core more effectively than most exercises. The abdominal muscles tighten to keep the body stable. The lower back works to support the spine. The hips, glutes, and thighs stay engaged to prevent sagging. Even the shoulders, arms, and neck participate to maintain alignment. In just 3 minutes, the entire body is under tension. This full body tension is what makes the plank so powerful. Unlike exercises that isolate one muscle, the plank forces everything to work together. This improves functional strength, which helps in daily movement, balance, and posture. Strong core muscles make every other exercise easier and safer. Doing plank every day improves posture significantly. Modern life involves long hours of sitting and phone use, which weakens the core and rounds the shoulders. Daily plank practice strengthens the muscles that keep the spine upright. Over time, posture improves, shoulders move back, and the body stands taller. Plank exercise is highly effective for fat loss support. While plank does not involve jumping or running, it increases metabolic demand by engaging many muscles at once. Muscle engagement increases calorie usage and helps improve metabolism. Over time, this contributes to fat reduction, especially around the belly area. 3 minutes of plank also help tighten the midsection. The deep core muscles responsible for pulling the stomach inward become stronger. This leads to a flatter, tighter appearance when combined with consistency and proper nutrition. Plank improves balance and stability. Holding the body steady trains the nervous system to control movement better. Better balance reduces injury risk and improves athletic performance. Even daily activities like walking, climbing stairs, or lifting objects feel easier. Another major benefit of daily plank is back health. Weak core muscles often lead to lower back pain. Plank strengthens the muscles that protect the spine. With consistent practice, back discomfort reduces and spinal stability improves. Plank exercise also improves breathing control. Holding tension while breathing steadily trains the diaphragm and respiratory muscles. This improves lung efficiency and endurance. Better breathing also helps manage stress and anxiety. Mental benefits of plank are powerful. Holding a plank requires focus and mental strength. The body wants to quit, but the mind learns to stay calm and controlled. This builds discipline, resilience, and self-control. These mental skills carry into other areas of life. 3 minutes of plank every day builds consistency. Because the time commitment is small, it is easier to maintain. Small habits repeated daily create long-term results. This makes plank a perfect exercise for beginners, busy people, and anyone restarting fitness. Plank does not require equipment, space, or a gym. It can be done anywhere, at home, office, or outdoors. This removes excuses and increases adherence. The easier a habit is, the more likely it becomes permanent. Daily plank strengthens shoulders and arms as well. Supporting body weight improves shoulder stability and arm endurance. This helps prevent shoulder injuries and improves upper body strength. Plank also improves body awareness. Feeling the muscles engage teaches proper alignment and control. This awareness improves form in other exercises and daily movement. Doing plank every day helps regulate stress. Isometric holds combined with controlled breathing activate the nervous system in a calming way. Stress hormones reduce and mental clarity improves. Plank supports better sleep. Physical tension release and improved breathing help the body relax at night. Better sleep improves recovery, hormone balance, and energy levels. 3 minutes of plank every day may not feel dramatic, but over weeks the difference becomes noticeable. Core strength improves, posture feels better, balance increases, and confidence grows. Over months, the body becomes stronger, leaner, and more stable. Plank teaches patience. Progress comes slowly but surely. Each day you hold a little steadier, breathe a little calmer, and feel a little stronger. This reinforces belief in consistency over shortcuts. Plank exercise is safe and adaptable. Beginners can break 3 minutes into shorter holds. Advanced individuals can increase intensity through form control. This adaptability makes plank suitable for all fitness levels. Daily plank practice builds identity. You become someone who shows up for yourself every day. This identity shift is powerful and long-lasting. 3 minutes every day, no excuses, small habits, strong core, strong mind. So if you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your friends. And subscribe this channel, also like this video.